Hello fellow traders, my name is Simon and welcome again to Poolside Forex Academy. Today's signal is going to be on a really popular cryptocurrency named BTC aka Bitcoin. And without any more time to waste, as always, let's head to our calendar and see what we have. Okay, now that we are on our calendar, as you can see currently the buyer side is much more stronger than the seller side. And what I read from the news shows me that there is going to be a little pump up for the price to move to the upside in this cryptocurrency. And what our forecasting in our calendars is showing us is that the price is going to have a little bit of a bump to the upside. But as always, as we all know, news are not enough, so let's head to the chart and see what we have. Okay, now that we are on the chart, as you can see, we are on BTC USD on 4-hour time frame. And as you all can see, I have pre-drawn some zones for you. First of all, what I see here is that we have an actual divergence here, which is going to help us and which is going to make the price move to the upside. As you can see, the divergence in the MACD shows that there is a volume of traders pushing the price to the upside, but the price is falling down. So a bubble that is going to pop up and move the price to the upside has been formed, and we are waiting for it currently. And this blue area is going to be our trade area, and this red area is a place of volume decretion, because when the price reached this area, they started selling so hard that this is going to make a really powerful resistance area. So what we are going to do is to wait until the price pulls back to this blue area so we can enter our trade and enjoy the ride to the upside. As always, what I want from you is to sit back, enjoy the music, so I can make this more beautiful for you. Enjoy. That's it for today's signal. I hope you have enjoyed. Have a good day and peace.